Did you know that nature has quantum superpowers? Let's dive into 5 mind-blowing facts about quantum biology that will change how you see the world. Number 5. It's not just physics. Living things from birds to plants use quantum mechanics to survive. These aren't just lab tricks. This is life in action. Number 4. Birds can literally see the Earth's magnetic field. Thanks to quantum entanglement in their eyes, migratory birds have a built-in GPS, viewing magnetic lines like a heads-up display. They see the invisible. Number 3. Ever wonder how plants are so good at soaking up sunlight? Photosynthesis is almost 100% efficient because energy uses quantum superposition to explore every possible path at once. Number 2. Your sense of smell might be a quantum detector. Instead of just shape, your nose could be sensing the unique quantum vibrations of different molecules. Number 1. Here's the shocker. Scientists found that European robins get lost under artificial electromagnetic fields. Our own Wi-Fi and radio waves might be blinding birds, disrupting their natural navigation. Isn't that wild? If you enjoyed this glimpse into the quantum world of biology, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science.